Today we're going to restore an UpdraftPlus backup that we have on a Google Drive to a brand new installation of WordPress. Let's get started. All right, here's our website, and this is the home page, and this is a brand new installation of WordPress. So we see just the very basic Hello World page here. And if we go to the back end of the website, there's nothing much really going on here. Down the left-hand side, we don't have much in the way of plugins or anything installed. This is pretty short menu. If we take a look at our posts, we just have the basic Hello World post. There's no media installed in the website, and there's just the two default pages that come with WordPress when you first install it. So let's go over to our plugins, and the first thing we're going to do is install UpdraftPlus. So we're going to come right up over here and search for UpdraftPlus. And here it is. So we'll install this plugin and we'll activate it right away. And we're taken back to our plugins page, looking at our installed plugins. Here's UpdraftPlus, and we have a button we can click to get started. So let's do that. And it wants us to back up now, but we don't really need to do that because there's nothing on this website. What we want to do is go connect to Google Drive. So we'll select Google Drive here as our remote storage location. And then we'll come down and we'll click to save changes. And we are being prompted to connect to our Google Drive account. So let's go ahead and do that. We'll choose the account that we want to use here. We'll accept the agreement. Now, UpdraftPlus has already been connected to this account, so that's fine. We'll just continue and let it keep having that access. And then we're going to complete setup. UpdraftPlus had the access before, right? Because that's where our backups live. All right, so now we want to restore a backup, but we don't see any here in our existing backup section. So we're going to rescan remote storage. And we get a warning here that we're going to get all the backups stored on that, which is fine for us. If you have multiple websites backing up to the exact same Google Drive, then you need to be careful about which backups you choose to restore. That's not a worry for us in this case. And here are all the backups that are out there. Now, these backups still exist on Google Drive. All we got was the information about what they are, but not all of the data. So we're going to go to our very latest backup here. We're going to click restore. Now, if you had something bad happen to your website, if you are restoring because you got hacked or something like that, then go back and find a backup from before the bad thing happened and restore that one. But we're just going to restore the latest one here. And we are going to restore everything. And I recommend that you always restore everything, the plugins, themes, uploads, and especially the database. You need that all to have a complete installation of WordPress. So we'll click next here. And backup set is going to be downloaded from Google Drive. And this will just take a minute. And then we'll kick off the restore. And as we go through the restore, we're going to be logged out of the website. Once the database gets restored, our old original database gets restored, then we're going to be logged out. And we're going to need to log back in with our old credentials. So right now on this website, I have a temporary set of credentials. That's fine. They're going to go away, so I don't care about them. And when I'm prompted to log back in again, I'll use my old, original credentials. So we can see, an activity log here. And down the left-hand side, we saw that the database and files and that type of thing were all restored. We got a success message, so that's great. Let's return back to UpdraftPlus. Now we have to log in again, so let's go ahead and do that. And now look where we are. On our website here, we see that we have some plugins back like Yoast and Contact Form 7. If we go to our posts page, we see that we have a different post here instead of just the Hello World. In our media library, we have our images back, And on our pages, we have, a page that we created restored in addition to the 2 original ones. So this is a good restore of our website. And if we come here and reload the page, here we go. This is our, our first post. Like, there's no real styling on this website, but we can see that our post got restored, and we're back in business. So that's it. That's how you do a restore of an UpdraftPlus backup from Google Drive to a brand new installation of WordPress. I hope you found this helpful. If you have any questions, please ask them down below, and I'll be happy to answer them. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you very much.